God declares, "Let me transform your heart, please. Right now, let me into your life. I wish to restore your wholeness. I want to give you back the life you have lost. I am here to give you hope. I cherish you." God declares, "You can't attempt this alone. Together, however we can. Please come to me with all of your issues, since I feel your pain. I cherish you. Allow the agony you experience to transform you. Keep in mind the suffering so that you can overcome sin in the future. Please stand back up. Although you are struggling, you are not giving up. I cherish you." Type Amen if you believe in God. Thank you for watching. May God bless you all.